Drag. What is drag? Drag is the force applied upon the aeroplane, pushing it back. These forces are friction and resistance to the airflow created by the forward thrust. Types of drag are friction, form, induced, parasite. Friction drag. When the airflow comes in contact with the aeroplane, it creates friction. This creates friction drag. Form drag. It's formed due to the shape of the aeroplane when the air flows around it. A typical example is the design of a sports car, which is made sleek and smooth to reduce form drag. An aeroplane is built in the same way. Induced drag. It is created as a result of lift that is created by the wing. The winglet on the wingtip is to partially reduce induced drag. Parasite drag. It is produced by the protruding devices such as rivets, pitched instruments, antennas, etc. Next, we'll talk about weight. Weight is the opposite of lift. An aeroplane is not lighter than air. Therefore, it will fall without the lift. Gravity is the biggest contributor to weight.